Let me handle this, bitch. It's time to put this bad dog to sleep. For good!
Not my arm!
Welcome to my nightmare. Penny for your thoughts, Chief. Oh, scared? Oh. Tilt. Why won't you die? Come on! Come on! Oh. So you are afraid of something after all, huh? Oh. How sweet. Now there's a face only a mother could love. And dig a little deeper. It's not my fault this bitch is dead on her feet. What's wrong, Rory? Miss your wake-up call? I've always had a thing for the whores that live in this house. Welcome to my world, bitch. I should warn you, princess. The first time tends to get a little messy. Die, little bitch. Think you're so smart, huh, bitch? How sweet. Dark meat. Man, the torpedoes. Hey, asshole!